Welcome back to Top Trends, where we bring you the best tech deals without the premium price tag. Today, we're checking out the top 7 best smartwatches on Aliexpress. From stunning displays and Bluetooth calling, to health tracking, sports modes, and even voice assistants, these watches deliver serious value without draining your wallet. Whether you're into fitness, productivity, or just love rocking a stylish wrist piece, subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the Silica Gel Smartwatch, a sleek, multifunctional companion designed for the modern lifestyle. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual, this smartwatch has something for everyone. Crafted with a soft and durable silica gel strap, the Silica Gel Smartwatch offers unmatched comfort and style. Its lightweight design ensures you can wear it all day, every day, without a second thought. Featuring a vibrant 1.44-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 128 by 128 pixels, the Silica Gel Smartwatch delivers crisp and clear visuals. With single-touch functionality, navigating through features is smooth and intuitive. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Sync your Silica Gel Smartwatch to your smartphone and enjoy seamless connectivity for calls, notifications, and music control, all from your wrist. Take your fitness journey to the next level. Equipped with a heart rate sensor and G-sensor, the Silica Gel Smartwatch tracks your heart rate, monitors your steps, and helps you stay on top of your health goals. Quality sleep is essential, and the Silica Gel Smartwatch is here to help. Monitor your sleep patterns, analyze your rest, and wake up feeling refreshed every day. Powered by a reliable 50 mAh battery, the Silica Gel Smartwatch is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Stay connected and track your progress without worrying about frequent charging. This smartwatch has 3.9 rating and 200 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. Whether you're at work, hitting the gym, or enjoying a night out, the Silica Gel Smartwatch complements your style and keeps you connected. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fashion. Elevate your everyday life with the Silica Gel Smartwatch, your ultimate companion for fitness, connectivity, and style. Stay smart, stay active, and stay ahead. Introducing the D18 Smart Watch, the ultimate fitness and lifestyle companion for men and women. Sleek, stylish, and packed with features, this smartwatch is designed to keep up with your active life. Featuring a 1.3-inch TFT screen with a sharp 240-pixel 240-pixel resolution, the D18 smartwatch delivers clear and vibrant visuals. Its full touchscreen makes navigation smooth and intuitive, so you can access your data with just a tap. Take control of your health with advanced blood pressure monitoring. Stay informed about your vital stats and make smarter decisions for your well-being. Whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, the D18 smartwatch tracks your fitness activities in real time. Stay motivated and achieve your goals with ease. Built to withstand your active lifestyle, the D18 smartwatch is waterproof, making it resistant to splashes and sweat. Perfect for workouts and everyday wear. Just remember, it's not designed for submersion. Compatible with both iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0 and above, the D18 smartwatch seamlessly connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth 4.0. Stay connected with notifications, calls, and messages, all from your wrist. With its detachable band, the D18 smartwatch lets you customize your look to match your style. Switch bands effortlessly for any occasion. From the office to the gym, and everywhere in between, the D18 smartwatch is your reliable partner. Its durable plastic case and sporty design ensure comfort and versatility, no matter where life takes you. This smartwatch has 3.9 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. With a 90 mAh battery, this smartwatch offers up to 3 to 5 days of working time and 7 to 10 days of standby time. Stay powered and ready for whatever comes next. Looking for the perfect gift? The D18 smartwatch is a thoughtful and practical choice for anyone who values health, fitness, and style. Upgrade your life today with the D18 smartwatch. Introducing the 116 Plus smartwatch, your ultimate companion for fitness, connectivity, and style. Packed with innovative features, this smartwatch is designed to keep you active, informed, and in control. Featuring a stunning color screen, this smartwatch delivers vibrant visuals that make every interaction a pleasure. Whether you're checking your stats or receiving notifications, everything is clear and easy to read. Stay motivated with step counting and track your daily activity effortlessly. Whether you're walking, running, or just staying active, the 116 Plus smartwatch helps you reach your fitness goals. With multi-sport modes, this smartwatch adapts to your workout routine. Whether you're cycling, running, or hitting the gym, it provides accurate tracking to keep you on top of your game. Stay connected with message reminders. Receive notifications for calls, texts, and apps directly on your wrist, so you never miss an important update. Capture the moment with photography remote control. Use your 116 Plus smartwatch to take photos from a distance, making group shots and selfies easier than ever. From the office to the gym, and everywhere in between, the 116 Plus smartwatch is your reliable partner. Its sleek design and versatile features make it the perfect accessory for any occasion. This smartwatch has 4.0 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. With its long-lasting battery, this smartwatch keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Stay powered and ready for whatever comes next. Looking for the perfect gift? This smartwatch is a thoughtful and practical choice for anyone who values fitness, connectivity, and style. Upgrade your life today with the 116 Plus smartwatch. Introducing the Zeblaze Aries 3 Plus, a smartwatch that redefines health, fitness, and connectivity. With a stunning HD display, advanced voice calling, and cutting-edge tracking features, this is more than just a watch, it's your ultimate lifestyle companion. Experience brilliance on a 1.43-inch HD AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Every detail comes alive in vivid clarity, whether you're checking notifications, tracking your fitness, or customizing your watch face. Stay connected effortlessly with voice calling functionality. Whether you're at work, in the gym, or outdoors, the Zeblaze Aries 3 Plus ensures you never miss an important call or message, all without needing your phone nearby. Take control of your health with advanced 3D interactive health and fitness tracking. Monitor your heart rate, steps, sleep patterns, and more. The Zeblaze Aries 3 Plus helps you stay on top of your wellness goals every step of the way. With life waterproof durability, the Zeblaze smartwatch is built to handle anything life throws your way. From rainy days to intense workouts, this smartwatch is designed to keep up with you. Powered by a 220 to 300 mAh battery, this Zeblaze smartwatch delivers long-lasting performance. Stay active all day and recharge quickly when needed, so you're always ready for what's next. This smartwatch has 4.9 rating and 900 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. Combining elegance and comfort, this Zeblaze smartwatch is designed for everyday wear. Its lightweight build and modern aesthetics make it the perfect accessory for any occasion. The Zeblaze Aries 3 Plus, where innovation meets versatility. Elevate your lifestyle today. Introducing the HUAWEI GT5 Pro, a smartwatch that combines cutting-edge technology with timeless style. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals or staying connected on the go, this is the ultimate companion for modern life. Experience brilliance on a 1.53-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. With full-screen touch capabilities, every interaction feels intuitive and immersive. Customize your watch face to match your mood or style. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth 5.0 and seamless calling functionality. Whether you're at work, in the gym, or outdoors, this HUAWEI smartwatch ensures you never miss an important call or message. Take control of your health with advanced monitoring features. The HUAWEI GT5 Pro tracks your heart rate, steps, and more, helping you achieve your fitness goals and maintain a balanced lifestyle. With an IP67 waterproof rating, this smartwatch is built to handle anything life throws your way. From rainy days to intense workouts, this smartwatch is designed to keep up with you. This smartwatch has 4.9 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. Powered by a 300 mAh battery, the HUAWEI GT5 Pro delivers long-lasting performance. And when it's time to recharge, simply place it on the wireless charging pad for effortless convenience. This smartwatch works seamlessly with both Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus devices. Pair it with the RD Fit app to unlock advanced insights into your health, track your progress, and personalize your experience. The HUAWEI GT5 Pro, where innovation meets its elegance. Elevate your lifestyle today. Introducing the HAYLOU S8 smartwatch, your ultimate companion for style, fitness, and connectivity. Designed for the modern man, this smartwatch combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to keep you ahead of the game. Featuring a stunning 1.96-inch AMOLED curved screen, the HAYLOU S8 delivers crystal-clear visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The smooth spin buttons make navigation effortless, giving you a seamless user experience. Stay connected wherever you go with Bluetooth phone call functionality. Make and receive calls directly from your wrist, and let the built-in AI voice assistant handle your tasks with just a simple command. With 100 plus workout modes, this smartwatch is your perfect fitness partner. Whether you're hitting the gym, running, or practicing yoga, this smartwatch tracks your progress and helps you achieve your goals. Express yourself with 100 plus customizable watch faces. From sleek and professional to bold and sporty, there's a design for every mood and occasion. Take control of your health with 24/7 health management. Monitor your heart rate, track your sleep patterns, and stay on top of your well-being with real-time insights. With 3 ATM waterproof rating, this smartwatch is built to withstand your active lifestyle. Swim, shower, or sweat, this watch has you covered. This smartwatch has 4.9 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. Say goodbye to frequent charging. This smartwatch offers an impressive 20-day battery life, so you can focus on what matters most without interruptions. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or out with friends, this smartwatch is the perfect blend of functionality and style. It's more than a smartwatch, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Upgrade your life today with the HAYLOU S8 smartwatch. Introducing the Xiaomi S4 Ultra smartwatch, a powerful outdoor companion designed for adventurers, athletes, and everyday users alike. With advanced features like NFC, GPS, compass, and Bluetooth calling, this smartwatch is built to elevate your lifestyle. Experience brilliance on a stunning AMOLED display with crystal-clear visuals. Whether you're navigating trails, tracking your fitness, or checking notifications, every detail is vivid and easy to read even in bright sunlight. With built-in GPS and a compass, this smartwatch is your ultimate outdoor companion. Navigate with precision, track your altitude, and measure your speed, perfect for hiking, cycling, or exploring new terrains. Take control of your health with advanced fitness tracking features. Monitor your heart rate, steps, calories burned, and sleep quality in real time. The Xiaomi S4 Ultra helps you stay on top of your wellness goals. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth calling and NFC functionality. Make crystal clear calls, send messages, and even make secure payments, all without needing your phone nearby. Built tough for any adventure, this smartwatch is waterproof, making it perfect for swimming, running in the rain, or even just washing your hands. It's as durable as it is stylish. This smartwatch has 4.6 rating and 600 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this smartwatch to you. With over 20 plus lifestyle features, this smartwatch is your ultimate companion. From world time and chronograph to altitude tracking and permanent calendar, this smartwatch is designed to simplify and enhance your daily life. The Xiaomi S4 Ultra, where performance meets versatility. Elevate your lifestyle today. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.